Hello viewers, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'm going to share how I created an extending slider table. Can be used as a console table as well as dining table. There are similar tables out there in the market, but they are quite expensive and it feels really good to make it on your own. I started with 8 pieces of plywood with the dimension 29 inches by 5 inches. This will become the table's legs. I joined 2 each to form 4 pair of legs. For top I cut down 48 by 10 inches of plywood pieces. 2 pieces of 2.5 inches width for the side skirting. This is how I joined the pair of legs on each side of the top panels. I fixed only one piece of the leg pair with the top board and kept the other one free. This helps to fold it when the table is in extension position. I reinforced the joints using some clamps. Now for the extension mechanism, I use this 16-inch drawer channels. To make the under table channel longer, I joined the two channels in such a way that the bigger part of the channel is stuck to the smaller part of another channel using some small screws. I repeated the process for 4 pairs, and that is how I created this long extendable channel. I will put a link of a video in description section which describes this process in detail. I used 1.5-inch aluminum angles to connect the channel to the base of the tabletop. This is how it looked like after connecting the aluminum angles to the extension mechanism. After laying the tabletop upside down and in a flat position, I aligned the extension mechanism and screwed down to the top only on the one side. This is how it looks like in a console table position, with the free flaps of the leg in line with the fixed flaps. I can pull one side of the table to expose the underneath extension mechanism. I can add up to 3 boards on top with 18 inch of width each, and that will make the total length of the table to 74 inch. At full extension, I had to add a support under the table to bear the weight of all the 3 boards. The legs of the table can be folded in middle to make more space for the chairs. Well, hope you enjoyed the video and got some ideas. Bye for now.